It's over 20 years old, but it has a new heat exchanger put in it. I know Dumb Musician is a fan of HVAC equipment, so I want to do a video for everyone of my furnace starting up. It did have an electronic air cleaner. I'm going to see if I can get parts for it repaired, because all the internals are gone. Just this piece remains. And they put a piece of insulation in the way. But it has electronic ignition with a hot surface igniter. So, small furnace. Okay, input BTUs 75,000, output BTUs 57,000. It's kind of undersized for this house, but it seems to do an okay job. I think they really sized it for just the upstairs and before the addition was put on, because really, let me think, I have like well over 2,000 square feet to heat if I open it, but the basement always stays warm even in the winter. So I just have all these closed off. Startup noise. That was low speed. It goes wah, 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 wah. In summer, there's high speed. All you hear is a click, and then it says wah. It's like high. let's just do a tour of where all the ducts are. There's of course let's see, where's the light at? There's the one there. It's an unfinished basement, but when I do finish it, I'm probably going to do 2 on this side and 2 on this side here. Do a round vents. There's another one there. One right here. Now this one's actually open. Okay. There's one in the garage. It's closed off too, but when it gets freezing in here and you get snow and stuff, then I'm going to open it up so this doesn't get cold over here and it melts everything. There. One right there. Got one right there. We got a return right here. Bathroom. The shade carpet panel. Return there. There's one behind all this. And a return there. Living room. There's a return. It's weird. The living room is weird. There's a return there. And when I did my video of my TV, I did the wiring. There's a cold air return there. But yeah, it's cool air, so that's not going to hurt anything. You have a heating duct here. It'll focus there. Heating duct there. Duct there. Start here. Bedroom. Cold air return there. And a heating duct there. Just blowing my curtains around. Bring it on, feline! Carly cat. It works really well. It'd be even cooler if it was at least a 70s vintage furnace. And just because my grandmother gave me one, I have a first alert carbon monoxide detector here on a vintage outlet with the wood paneling. Previous owner didn't put that on there. Everything's legal in this house. Anyhow. Oh, another thing they did, I even have little valves here I could close. On the ducts. Little louvers there. And like there runs my lines from the air conditioner outside. Should have made a video of it during the warmer months because it too is a 1988. It's a 1988 Temp Star. It's only a 2-ton, so it's only like big enough to cool the upstairs. But it's in the summer, it's cool down here, so you get